another video, and today's video is a long time pending video. Actually everyone was requesting me to make handbag haul, so finally I did it, and all the bags are from Myntra. So I got some handbags, some shoulder bags and some sling bag, and yeah, that's all. And now let's move to the video without any further ado. And the first thing is this black sling bag. It's a very small bag in size, like you can just keep your lipstick, sunglasses or some other small stuff. And the quality is really good, so it's kind of party wear bag. It has nice tassels, got a chain sling, and it's a very cute little bag. You can just keep your small things inside it. There's a one main compartment, and inside it there's one zip pocket, and that's it. Navy blue and tan texture sling bag from Dressberry, and I have heard that Dressberry bags are really inexpensive and the quality is really good, and indeed that's true. It's a very spacious sling bag, has a nice twist clasps for the closure, and it has got one main compartment, one outside pocket to keep your change or cash sometimes, and two inner pockets. It's a very nice bag, very stylish, perfect for any casual day out. Brown solid bag comes with flap closure with magnetic button. The quality is really amazing. Love the soft material, very classy kind of design. Got two main zip compartments, which is very spacious actually. One external pocket and three inner pockets, but it comes with one handle which is attached on the back side of the bag, and due to that it looks like that it's falling. So I didn't like that thing in this bag, so I would suggest you should not go for this actually. From Master and Harbor. The color is brown. It's a handbag as well as sling bag. Sling is detachable, perfect for office style. It has pouch inside it which you can use for your makeup products or to keep your some important other things. Got one main compartment and three main pocket. It's very spacious and a perfect thing for office girls. Solid handbag comes with push lock, which is very cute and kiddish. The color is really good, goes almost with everything. It's a very simple bag, yet very stylish. Got one main compartment, one external pocket and two internal pockets, and the sling is again detachable. You can carry it the way you want. Another beige solid handbag by Master and Harbor. It also comes with sling and handle, and I really love the handle bags actually that way. And the best thing is the external pocket, which is very spacious. You can keep your phones, your novels, your metro cards, or anything that you feel like that you have to take out in a very urgent. And the color is very basic yet very classy. Another brown handbag from Master and Harbor. This is a perfect thing for office going girls. Actually it's a shoulder bag as well as sling bag. Sling is detachable, but I really liked it as a shoulder bag. This looks very elegant. It's so spacious, especially if you have to carry some files, lunchbox, then it's a perfect bag for you because you can carry everything inside it. It got one main compartment, one external pocket and three internal pockets. I really liked it. Olive green sling bag comes with a button closure, one main compartment and one inner pocket, and that's it. It's quite spacious. Another good bag for your casual day out. brown and red bag comes with button closure, one main compartment, two inner pocket. It also a handbag as well as sling bag because it's got a handle one side, and perfect thing for your casual look. I really like that combination of brown and red. And the last thing is this orange or tan solid sling bag. Got one main compartment, one outer pocket which is quite spacious. Comes with a button lock, one pocket inside it. It's again very spacious. It's kind of shoulder bag and sling bag. It comes with silver chain sling, and if you double layer the chain, then you can use it as a shoulder bag. So it's a perfect thing for your office, casual or party look. I really liked it, and yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching. Bye. See you next time. And all the links you will get in the description box. So bye.